have soft hair and with short hair, we need to massage like this. You're jealous that the Aka had a spa day and you didn't? But it's not your picture day tomorrow. Is it relaxing?
Now I can see how you're doing it.
Yeah. Is it relaxing?
Yep.
Are you done?
Back here also.
I'm doing it. Chill. And then later you can sleep very soundly. What are you doing?
Laughing because
Why? I thought you were relaxing. Now you're laughing?
because I want to send this on YouTube. That's why I'm making
A YouTube
some
video?
some noise.
Okay.
Yep. Can you post this on YouTube
Okay.
when we're done?
Okay. We put a little bit more cream because we did not take a video of you doing a cream thing. Sorry. Why are you laughing?
Now all the people that watch this YouTube
This video can see how you do your spa
yeah,
day.
and then when they see the yellow dot of cream, they will laugh.
Why? It's how they put cream. It's how you put cream and it's a spa day.
But I put cream. I just tap it on my face, then I rub.
Then you do like this.
And normally I